Good evening, everybody. As my topic is Spikmake for Bisamo Kids and You. What is Spikmake? Spikmake stands Society for the Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture Amongst Youth. It was founded in 1977 by Dr. Kiran Seth, an alumni of IIT Kharagpur and who is now teaching at IIT Delhi. It's a non-profit, apolitical, voluntary organization. It aims to enrich the youth around the world with the majestic Indian classical music and art and dance rooted in schools and colleges. The modules encompasses holistic education. That is why CBSE throughout India is organizing Spikmake programs. Why? It has value-based education which involves in the absorption of the aesthetics and spiritualism in an increasing technical, mundane and competitive life. Spikmake promotes an awareness of the rich, heterogeneous cultural tapestry amongst youth through active participation in it and the discovery of the deep and subtler values. I repeat, rich, heterogeneous cultural tapestry. We have different modules like lecture demonstration, workshop demonstration, crafts workshop, Gurukul scholarship scheme, Virasat, international convention, rural school intensive, school intensives. In all these modules, they are conducted by artists who are leaders in their respective art form. Padma Shris, Padma Bhushans, Padma Vibhushan, and or Master Craftsman awardees. They are artists. They explain the art form so beautifully that children enjoy and learn the deeper values of it. My experience with Bisamo, that is Spikmake's experience with Bisamo kids. Way back in 2016, Puralo Chow from the West Bengal had come and danced there. In 2017, we had the Gotipuas from Orissa. 18, Neena Prasad came from Kerala and explained to the children about Mohiniyattam. And 2019, we had Padma Vibhushan, Dr. Tejan Bai, come to that institute. The Bisamo kids, 6 of them, along with Sudarshana ma'am, had gone for the international convention at IIT Kharagpur. And there, in the intensive during the 7 days, they learned under Tejan Bai. Such was their experience that these children, when they came back, they shared their experience with their friends in the institute. Then a city-based musical group called Abhivakti invited them to perform, and they got the 3rd prize at an inter-school cultural fest called CalFest. The Bisamo kids presented Draupadi Swayamvar in Pandwani. The icing to the cake is Tejan Bai, when she came to Ahmedabad, she came to meet these children and have a leg them there. So when I saw this opportunity, I spoke to Sudarshana ma'am and said, let the children welcome him. Let the children take the initiative. She said, okay. So I did and came and did an orientation for the children and told them, you are now volunteers. You know what is Spikmake. You take up. You do everything. It was done so beautifully that Tejan Bai was so touched that she gave her Tanpura to the children to hold. What is a convention? It is a 7-day ashram-like experience which is done in IIT Kharagpur, which was done in IIT Kharagpur last. Early morning at 4:30, the children get up, they do yoga, which is Hatha Yoga or Nad Yoga or different meditative exercises. Then they have a holistic breakfast. Then for 7 days, they are involved in intensive with our Visamo kids, was with Tejan Bai. All great artists and craftsmen, they interact with the children for 7 days, and in the last day they perform. In the afternoon, we have talks, we have cinema classics, we have folk music, folk dance, and in the evening, a full concert. Cinema classic, for example, we saw Making of the Mahatma, and then we had Sham Benegal, who comes on the stage, and the children are given the opportunity to ask him question. Question answer is an integral part of Spikmake, which enables a child to question and understand. I remember another example in CN Vidyalaya. A sitarist came, and one of the child said, "Why are this there?" And then he said, for a minute, being an artist, he forgot that there is also physics involved and maths involved in our instrument and our classical music. Sadhguru said, Indian classical music and dance is not entertainment, but designed to elevate your consciousness to a higher level. I'll share with you my experience. I'm not an artist. I'm not a musician. I'm not a dancer. What is that is motivating me? It was 12 years ago, I took 12 municipal children to IIM Calcutta for a convention. The municipal children learned tie and dye from a great designer from Kutch. The last day, one of the child came on the stage and spoke about it in Gujarati. That is the freedom that Spikmake gives. I remember Kiran said, what did he say? I said, he loves it. It's his experience. He is a municipal child. When we came back, the children make the presentation before the municipal commissioner. And the children, and the commissioner asked them, what are your experiences? That was also positive. Then says, what are you going to do next? All the 5 of the 9 children said something, but there was one boy he said, I'm not going to study after the 10th. That motivated me. Why? I asked him. He told me his father had TB, his mother had TB, his sister had TB, his brother is not doing anything, and he's the only one who has to fill water in the morning and come to school. I then go back and help in the house. A friend of mine helped him. He said, are you interested in study? We gave him the opportunity to study and give him tuitions. I'd love to share with you. Today, he's studying in college. His sister is married. His brother is working, and it is a beautiful family. Another incident is, in those 7 children who came, I went back. It was from the Urdu Shala in Gomtipur. When I went for another, about after 5 years, when I went back to them, what they had, it was, I think, Gotipur itself. All of them came up and met me, and they said, do you remember? You know how children, they grow up so quickly, and especially boys. So they came up on the stage. One of them came up on the stage and introduced the artist and spoke in English. So I was surprised. So I asked the principal, why is he speaking in English? He smiled. I didn't understand. After the program, this boy comes up and tells me, I said, why did you speak in English? No, ma'am, I just wanted you to say that even we municipal children can speak in English. It was so touching. Later on, he took my number and he wanted to do IAS. That is the impact of a small thing that you can all do for, and that's what Spikmake does. It touches you. I'll tell you my experience with Visamo kids. I was invited for a scholarship day, and there I experienced the philosophy, the dedication, the transformation of the children. I loved it. I respected it, and I was keen to give them the Spikmakke experience. The result is what you saw and what you heard about when Tejan Bai came to them. This transformation is what Spikmakke wants every child in India to experience by 2025. And I want to take this opportunity that through all those who are seeing, join Spikmakke, and we can transform this experience to all the children of Gujarat. We have recently done a WD, that's a workshop demonstration, in 12 districts, 5 schools, 5 days. So that was 10 schools per district that got this opportunity. And about 30,000 children have benefited. That was just 12 school districts. I want to spread it to the whole of Gujarat. And for that, we need people who would come forward and volunteer. We can do a rural intensive convention. It's mammoth work, and we can all work together and do it. It is Nishkamana Seva. So that, like how the Visamo children experience, a choti si boon, apni virasat for every child. I want to share with you what is that music does to us. Music improves our visual aids, their visual and verbal skills, makes us happier people, improves sleep quality, improves immune system, reduces depression and anxiety, helps to check pulse, BP, helps the aging brain to be healthy. The 4 pillars for this movement is artists, institutions, supporters, and volunteers. I take this opportunity to appeal to everyone who's interested to support this voluntary movement. Get in touch with me. My number is 878-086-1836, or just ask Darshana ma'am, and we can all work together so that this experience we can get every child. What is the benefit of volunteering, you'll ask me? You understand and preserve your culture, which is so rich. I'll share with you my own experience. As a mother, I sent my daughter, I'm a Malayali, I sent my daughter to the Trivandrum convention, and I said, go and learn about Kerala, the history of Kerala and all the cultural aspects of Kerala. She came back and talked to me about Kudiyatam. Friends, I knew nothing about Kudiyatam. And she was so motivated and told me, you don't know? And she explained that it's the 2000 years old dance form of Kerala, danced only in the temples of Kerala, only for the gods. It's a dying art. So today, UNESCO has taken it up and we are spreading it through Spikmakke. Believe me, at the next convention, I attended the Kudiyatam intensive and learned the nuances. It is an experience. Like that, all of us, all of you can also experience. We think we know a lot. I too thought so. The dance forms, there are so many that a lifetime is less to know how varied and our rich heritage is. Secondly, we know effective volunteering inculcates a spirit of service. Research has shown that by volunteering, we live longer and we feel worthful of living. Spikmakke experience is inspirational and motivational. It's a life-changing experience, my dear friends. I can tell you another example of a Gurukul scholarship scheme. 2 students, one is Paritosh, He was from SVNIT Surat, and today he is studying for IAS. Second is Yash from PDPU. They are transformed after this experience with Dalai Lama. 1 month they went and stayed there. You have to speak to them to when how much I might tell you, you will not believe me. But it Spikmake experience is life transforming. You understand, and it's a journey, and it transports you to the deepest part of you, and you enjoy the beauty. You will experience it. You will feel like the Visamo kids and Sudarshana ma'am and me, who is a professor at LJ College, but I saw the impact it had on the municipal children. And that is the small reason which I thought एक छोटी सी बूंद अपनी विरासत बच्चों तक पहुंचाएंगे तो it's great. And after the recent workshop demonstration where we did it in 12 districts, it has been beautiful. And you feel you've done a small part in this great thing. So I humbly ask all of you to join Spikmake, and we are forming the advisory council now, where we are going to involve the governor, and it's happening all over India and the world. Please join Spikmake. And thank you, Visamo Kids, for giving me this opportunity to share your experience of Spikmake and my experience of Spikmake to you. Thank you.